Sure. Here's that statement with a happy emotion. Blockaway.net is the ultimate solution you've been waiting for. This isn't just another proxy that stops working after a week. It's a powerful, fast, and reliable unblocker built for 2025 that actually does the job. With Blockaway, you can instantly access YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Discord, game sites, and so much more, right from your Chromebook or any other device. There's no need for complicated setup, extensions, or downloads. Just visit blockaway.net, type in the site you want to visit, and it opens instantly with complete privacy. It works even on heavily restricted networks like school Wi-Fi, library connections, or workplace filters, making it perfect for anyone who wants unrestricted browsing without leaving a trace. Unlike old proxies that lag or crash, Blockaway is constantly updated to bypass new security layers and deliver smooth, secure, and anonymous browsing at top speed. Whether you want to stream videos, catch up on social media, or access sites your network blocks, Blockaway makes it all possible with one simple click. Fast, private, and built to last. Blockaway.net is the best working proxy for school in 2025.